For this mixture, you're going to need about 4 tablespoons of Dawn soap. Just look at all those ingredients. This is why it kills Japanese beetles and should be used as a bug killer, not to wash our dishes. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of neem oil, and this is rough estimates. Then you're going to fill it up with water. Now make sure before spraying this mixture on your plants that it is below 95 degrees outside. If it is above 95 degrees, it will cause leaf burn on your plants. And now we're going to use some muscle to pump the pressure. It also works on those bugs that eat your tomatoes as well. Spray away. Now this was a bit tricky to find them and to spray them. But just an idea that when you find them, you spray them, and you spray them well. And after a few minutes, you'll see them fall off. You can see how much they've destroyed our cherry tree. And just a reminder, this will not prevent the beetles, but this will kill them. So you will have to reapply this. I typically have to do it every morning. Thanks for watching.
Like, share,
and subscribe.